This is our new chicken coop automatic door. Hello. So this morning it was 32 degrees and I didn't have to run out here and open up the door. It was really nice. So as soon as it hit dawn, the door opened up, the chickens came out. Well, 4 of the 6 did, and then finally the last 2 not so smart ones finally did. And then as soon as it hits dusk tonight, it's gonna shut back down. Super cool. Let me show you some of the highlights. We built this wood out so that we could have somewhere sturdy to install it. All of our bottom layer is mesh, so you can't really install easily into that without building in. Having said that, a lot of the chicken coops are like this, where you just cut the appropriate hole, screw it in, and you're probably in and out in 10 minutes or less. So anyway, this though is really sturdy and we're really happy with it. Okay, so some highlights. First of all, it does come with a remote control. It says on and off, but really that should say up and down. So let me hit that up. It's whisper quiet. Goes up. And then later on, if you want to manually, you can take it down. Now, let me show you some of the other main things. We got this wire here. Right now, I've got it running up the side here. Kind of got it tucked away. I'll probably tuck that away even cleaner later. Then it goes up to this solar panel. Everything seems to be pretty water resistant. I might put a little plumber's putty around there, but it says it's water resistant. It looks fine to me. Okay, so the solar panel there gathers the power and will charge the unit. You can look on the back. There's some little bit of instructions. You can do a timer, or you can do the photocell sensor, which is what I'm doing with dawn and dusk. I think that's the most practical because the time is always changing. Day length is always changing. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. There's your power source, wire down to the unit itself. It's quiet. It does have a feature where if it comes like halfway down and hits a chicken, it will stop and go back up, so it's an anti-pinch. That's really a very, very good feature. Let me quickly mention 3 more things that I think might be helpful. First of all, this remote control is good at 40 meters. Second, on this solar panel, if you don't want to mount it to the chicken coop itself, you can actually use this stake and go right into the ground. And then third, there's a little port right here. You can pull that back, and you can actually use the included USB charging cable to charge up that internal battery a lot faster if you don't have time for the solar, or if that just helps you with your installation. All right, all in all, this is a pretty cool unit. This was sent to me for an honest review, and this is my honest review. It's gonna change the way we chicken in the morning and chicken at night. We still gotta come out and feed them and all that stuff, but it really is convenient, especially on the cold days, or if we're gonna be out of town for a day or so. So hope that helps.